All right, yes. When a client comes to me and be like, I want to have that simple look, I always look at doing something simple indeed. And since when you look at our bridal stylings nowadays, sometimes you see like they try to look the same. So I always want to bring out something that is simple, not huge on the head, so that you can remain with your natural look. I mean, the true African beauty. You know what I'm saying? And this is what I always want to bring out. So in this video, I'm just going to show you something that you can always do and you look that very simple, even when you don't have a wig. So stay with me and please try to give me your time. Click on the red button, ring the bell, so that we be together.
Maurice, the crochet master.
All right, yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and indeed I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me right now, wherever you are. And a big shout to everyone in the United States of America, those ones in UK, United Emirates, and I can't forget my friends in Trinidad, Tobago. Yes, I love you guys so much. And still those ones in German, Jamaica, yes, Colombia, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and yes, Netherlands, Sweden. I love you so much, guys. I can't get enough of you. And so now, today, let's try to look at something that maybe you would see and you fear to do it on your wedding day or even on your introduction day. That's how we do it in Africa. There's an introduction and then the wedding. So what you would fear to do, yet it can be something that is very elegant and it will bring something natural for your occasion and even the uniqueness. But for me, I always love that simplicity because yes, everyone would like to look elegant and very, very simple. Yes, so now I'm going to be doing the corners, and I chose this side. Yes, and I know you guys know how to do this. In fact, in this video, I don't have to say much. The only thing we have to focus on is that before we continue with all these hairstyles, there are some people that they look good on, and those ones they might not look good on. You understand? So when someone has got these long foreheads, I always tell you that it is always good to do a sideways stuff or even behind. It is also very fine. Yes, but those ones with short foreheads, sometimes it is hard for them to do a sideways, and I already see some people doing the same, doing the sideways on those ones with short forehead. And you find the hair is overflowing their faces. Yes, you find the one eye is hidden already. But when you look at the foreheads, obviously, when you're a stylist, you'll have to know what really you can match someone's forehead. But for me, I chose to do something that is very simple and unique. Yes, and I know there's any bride would want that. That's what I believe in. So my clients always, they know me as a person who love to do something that is very, very simple. So now let's continue with this. I love you so much, and just know we can watch the video. The products that I'm using, I'm going to be putting them in the description so that you can also get them for yourself. People keep on asking me the gel that I use, that gel that they use, they bring that whitish when styling. And yes, sometimes maybe you put a lot and you don't be speed enough to pull out before it is dry, because when you put it there and you delay, so I think that indication of it becoming white, it is it be like it's drying, you understand, but it is very hard, like after using it before drying, and then you do adding the wrapper, putting somebody in the dryer, and then it comes out when it is still white. That is very hard, according to the gel that I've been using, as I'm going to be putting it in the description so that you can see it. Guys, I'm very, very happy and I'm very fine. That's what I can say. And I love you so much, those ones who have been with me ever since I started. And now we're here, we're still going. So to those ones who are new, just know we upload videos every week. Every week I make sure at least I upload a video for you so that we can learn. And this coming month, trust me, I'm going to do something different for you. We need to focus on how to do these simple, even if they're braids, even if they are dreadlocks, so that we can always protect our hairline. Indeed. So let's continue with the tutorial and see how it's gonna look.
You need some little pampering. No mukono mukugo gumanyiche gukora. Yitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Morris. Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi te wongo yaka, Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good.
Oh yes, this is what I get for you. My name is Morris the crochet master, and I'm gonna be signing out. But remember, we do videos every week. So stick on, click the red button, ring the bell. Bye-bye. May God bless you all.
No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master.